If you change the new computer, or if you reinstall the computer operation system, you must do what I said. Okay, first, you must have the master card. Where to make the master card? Go to the staff's key card. And here is the master card. You must make a master card. Look, the master card make it a long time. For example, let's say it's 1 year, valid time. 1 year. And you put the card holder name, put the card on the card reader. You press issue card. Now the master card makes successful, because you need to install the new software in the new computer operation system. After you install the new software, you go to the system management and go to the registration. And then you need to connect the card reader on the computer. After you connect, you can see the encoded number. You must get the new registration code from me, and then you input the registered code. But before input, you must put the master card on the card reader. The master card is made before you change the new computer, before you install the new operation system. Put the master card on the card reader, and then you input the registration code and press registration online, and then all the information, all the room number, the record, and all the staff's key, everything will be copied to the new system, to the new computer. If you have a new card reader, what to do? Before you install the new card reader, you must use the old card reader. Okay, you must make a master card on the old card reader. Put the card on the old card reader, and then go to the staff's key and make the master card. Okay, make master card. Make the master card time valid time. Let's say it 1 year. Okay, and then press issue card. After you issue, and then close the software, and then you keep the master card, and then you install the new card reader on the computer, connected to the computer. Connect it on the computer, and then you open the software. Enter the software. And now you go to the system management and go to the registration. Here is the encoded number. You look at the back side of the new card reader. You can see this is a registration code. This code can only be used one time. If you use second time, not work. Okay. Now, before you input the registration code, you must put the master card. This master card is made on the old card reader. Put it on the new card reader, and then you input the registration code, and then press register online, and this time all the reception information, the room number, building information, floor information, staff's key, everything will be copied to the new will be copied. If you don't do it after you install the new card reader, all the information will be lost.